The Agawa Canyon Boreal24 folding saw opens into a rigid 24-inch frame that bites quickly into wood, making camp chores and firewood processing feel surprisingly efficient. Its anodized aluminum frame, stainless steel hardware, and reinforced handle shrug off rain, snow, and rough handling without warping or rusting, which inspires confidence on longer trips. The three-hinged design lets the saw swing open and lock in a few seconds, and the teeth stay buried inside the frame when folded, so it will not chew up packs or hands. Despite its solid cutting power, the saw remains light and slim enough to disappear along a backpack side panel, which makes it practical for hikers and paddlers who count every ounce. Automatic blade tensioning keeps the blade straight and chatter-free without fiddling with knobs or loose parts, so cuts stay smooth even when you are tired or wearing gloves. When you eventually swap in a fresh wood or bone blade, the tool-free changeover is quick and clean, extending the saw's usefulness across camping, hunting, and general trail work.